How to figure out your skills step by step. 1. Self-reflection. What are you naturally good at? Ask yourself, what do people often ask you for help with? What subjects or tasks do you enjoy doing for fun? What do you learn quickly without much effort? Example, if you love writing, maybe content creation or copywriting is for you. If you're organized, maybe virtual assistant or project management roles. If you're a good speaker, maybe online teaching or voiceovers. Tip, write down 5 things you enjoy and 5 things you're good at. Look for overlaps. 2. Think in categories of online work. Sometimes it's easier to identify your skill when you look at real world categories. Category skills needed. Freelancing, writing, design, video editing, programming, SEO, content creation, speaking, creativity, consistency, video editing, virtual services, communicating, organization, typing, admin skills, teaching, patience, expertise in a topic, ability to explain clearly, e-commerce or product research, customer service, design, ads ask, which category interests me the most. 3. Try free skill assessment tools. Use free tools to analyze your personality or interest. 16 personalities. Calm personality-based career suggestions. My next move. Org interest profiler, Skillshare, Coursera. Explore the courses and see what clicks for. Experiment and learn. Sometimes you won't know your skill until you try something. Pick a free platform and experiment. Try designing something on Canva, write a blog post on Medium, create a voice sample on Audacity, build a resume and apply for a basic gig on Fiverr in a week. You'll have a much better idea of what feels right. 5. Ask for feedback. Ask friends, family or co-workers, what do you think I'm naturally good at? If you've done jobs before online or offline, review your performance. What did you do best? Final advice, don't wait to feel one or already. Pick one skill that sounds exciting, start learning and improve as you go. Skills can be developed, even the pros started as beginners.